thanks to all Patreons and channel members for supporting me. I'll be releasing project files to my Patreons and exclusive tutorials for channel members. For details, please check link in description. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is MrWhiz. Welcome back to my channel. So in previous video we added a widget to open the door. Okay. Now let's see how to close the door. We already have a condition on whether the door is already opened or not. So we have to modify this function a bit. First thing, on the UI we have to change this text to closed door. So create a custom event and create widget text. So here in this text block, add a variable name. So you should be able to get it here, and that text so here this will be constant, and here we have to supply the value, and let us connect it here. Rename this to widget text. Okay. Now on your door space, let's add this. Okay, we have to do a couple more changes here. So let this be here itself. We'll remove this. So if it is true, then we will check whether this door widget is already there. Then viewport, add a branch. So if it is false, we will add it to the viewport. Okay, let's create this widget in the begin play itself, so that to avoid issues. Okay, so that we don't need to check if it is valid or not. It is in viewport. Then the door widget ref. Call the update widget text, and this put a select here, and in select connect the door opened boolean variable. So if the door is opened, this has to be close door. If the door is not open, it has to be open door. Report. If it is false, yeah, again get this widget ref and add the viewport. And after adding, based on the condition, it will select the text. So we don't need this anymore here. Okay, and this will be bound here. Okay, now let's see what happens first. So we go here, we have the open door. The door is opened. We go here, we get the closed door. So that's what is expected. Fine. Now we will add the functionality to close the door. So here we'll bind it to the same event. So branch, the door is opened. The door is not opened. We will run a day from the start. Okay. So we have to update this door open variable for that. We'll take the door open and not boolean. So now let's see. Open door. Now when we go back again, we get closed door. When we press C, door is closed. Open door. So you can increase the box collision size to adjust to your need, so that you get a better push. You get a better position for that. Okay, so I'll close this video here. In next video, we will see how to replicate this tool. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please to subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video, and let me know your feedbacks and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.